A powerful AV solution rarely stops at audio and video. Room automation, graphical user interface controls, network security, video conferencing technology, software, and cloud-based services are critical components of an AV system. The more complex technology and complicated design solutions your business relies on, the more critical an AV maintenance contract becomes. Once an AV system is installed, an integrator will usually provide support options for routine maintenance. It's true that modern AV technology is reliable. However, even the best designed systems will experience issues if the system is not maintained regularly. Proactively maintaining AV equipment can improve day-to-day operations, extend a system's lifespan, and most importantly, reduce expenses. Historically, AV maintenance was performed reactively. A system would break or malfunction, and an integrator would perform on-demand services and bill the client for the completed work. As technology has become a key component of day-to-day business, end users have opted into managed services programs with service-level agreements, or SLAs, from integrators to ensure their equipment is performing seamlessly. A maintenance agreement could cover technology and applications for room scheduling, video conferencing, equipment allocation, network updates, remote monitoring, and emergency support. The agreements often include various support options, including remote technical assistance, on-site expert response, preventative support, extended warranties, and systems training. A maintenance program is designed to ensure your system's potential problems are found early and resolved quickly, so your technology is constantly at its peak performance. With regular maintenance performed by an experienced technician at AV Planners, your system will last longer, perform better, and save you money in the long run. Anyone relying on audiovisual technology should consider the benefits of an AV maintenance contract. Visit our website at avplanners.com to learn more. Contact AV Planners via email at info@avplanners.com.